Most people think they understand money, but the truth is far more uncomfortable than they imagine.
The average person is not poor because they earn little, but because of repeated financial behaviors. Most people spend more time planning vacations than planning their financial future or long-term stability. The average person is not poor because they earn little, but because of repeated financial behaviors. Instead of building wealth, most people upgrade their lifestyle and slowly trap themselves in financial dependency cycles. Most people do not track where their money actually goes, leading to silent financial leaks every month. What is not tracked will always be lost, disappearing slowly without awareness or control over financial direction. The average person lives paycheck to paycheck, regardless of how much money they earn over time. Even individuals with high salaries often feel financially stuck due to poor money management habits daily. Income alone does not create wealth. Consistent behavior and disciplined decisions are what truly build financial freedom. Most people buy things to impress others who are not even paying attention to their lives. Status becomes one of the most expensive emotional addictions a person can develop over time financially. The average person has no real emergency fund prepared for unexpected financial situations or life disruptions. A single unexpected expense can destabilize their entire financial structure and create stress for months ahead. Most people rely heavily on credit cards to maintain appearances and cover gaps in their finances. Debt becomes a silent partner that grows stronger while the person loses control over their own money. The average person does not understand how interest works against them over long periods of time. They end up paying for past decisions using future income that has not even been earned yet. Most people are financially reactive, only thinking about money when problems start appearing in their lives. The average person avoids checking their bank account because awareness creates discomfort and forces responsibility immediately. Most people never learned about money growing up and never take time to learn as adults. The average person believes saving money alone is enough to create wealth, but that is incomplete thinking. Most people trade time for money their entire lives without ever building systems that generate income. The average person fears investing more than slowly losing money to inflation every single year consistently. Inflation quietly reduces purchasing power, while most people remain unaware of its long-term destructive effects. Small daily expenses accumulate over time and silently destroy the potential to build real financial stability. The average person spends more on convenience than on opportunities that could improve their financial future. Comfort is prioritized over growth, leading to patterns that keep individuals stuck in the same position. Most people believe wealthy individuals are simply lucky and ignore the discipline required to build wealth. The average person waits for the perfect moment to start, but that moment never actually arrives. Most people do not define clear financial goals, which leads to living without direction or measurable progress. The average person constantly compares themselves to others and adjusts their spending to match perceived expectations. Comparison creates unnecessary expenses and prevents individuals from focusing on their own financial journey effectively. Most people reward themselves before building stability, reinforcing habits that prevent long-term financial success completely. The average person does not calculate how much time is exchanged for each purchase they make. Every expense is paid with life energy, not just money, and that cost is often ignored. Most people underestimate the power of consistency when applied to saving, investing, and financial discipline daily. The average person quits too early because results are not immediate and patience is not developed. Growth requires discomfort, but most people avoid discomfort and remain in patterns that limit financial expansion. The average person never questions their financial beliefs and continues repeating patterns learned from past environments. Most people do not realize how emotional their relationship with money actually is in daily decisions. Spending is often driven by emotional needs rather than logical thinking or long-term planning strategies.
The average person uses money to escape stress instead of addressing the root cause of their situation. Most people do not invest in knowledge, even though it provides one of the highest returns possible. The average person waits for motivation instead of building systems that guarantee consistent financial actions daily. Systems create consistency, and consistency is what allows wealth to grow steadily over long periods. Most people believe budgeting limits freedom, when in reality it creates clarity and control over finances. The average person underestimates how long wealth building takes, but also how powerful compounding becomes. Most people never calculate their net worth because they are afraid to confront their financial reality. The average person focuses on earning more, but ignores the importance of managing money effectively. Financial stress impacts relationships, health, and mental clarity more than most people are willing to admit. The average person follows the crowd financially, and the crowd often leads directly toward financial struggle. The moment you take control of your financial behavior is when your entire life begins transforming completely.